amazing. I think in the sunrise it will look even better. It's really pretty, this beach. I don't know whether it's possible to surf, but the waves are humongous. The waves are huge. Look, the waves forming. Oh, there. It's non-stop forming again and again. Wow. Absolutely beautiful waves. Look again behind. It's non-stop. It's therapeutic. Therapeutic somehow. Wow, look at it. I don't know how the turtles will survive this. It's a bit strange. Okay, pause it on.
Di jumbo.
Yeah. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, but I don't know how they survive the wind. Oh my god. Look. Oh, they really need help. They need help. Look.
Wow.
Oh, look at the turtles. Oh, yay.
Bye-bye, turtle. Bye-bye, turtle.
Okay, yes, there have been only 2 left. 2 left. Once the waves take them, they'll be washed, swept in, right in the middle of the ocean.
Bye-bye.
2 more. 2 more. Okay, I think this big wave will take them in already. Yes.
Wow.
Goodbye turtle.
Bye-bye, turtle.
Goodbye. Goodbye turtle.
Dari ngomong.
Goodbye turtle.
Dari ngomong.
Yeah. It's a pleasant surprise actually.
Apa?
The beach is like a hidden gem, even though there's a lot of people here to see the turtle. But it's really fine sand and really quite a long beach with extremely huge waves. I think the surfer dude would love to come here, I think. It's amazing. Okay, see you again next time.
Bye-bye.
We're gonna make our way home. Like and subscribe. Bye bye, Asia.
Asia, say bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye everybody. Bye bye turtles.
Bye-bye, turtle.
Mwah.